let's see the part of equations for linear equation. All right, if you see the word linear here, so our highest power of x will be the degree, highest degree. Okay, highest power of x still be 1. Okay, for this part, linear equation, we can say that our equations are divided into few parts. Okay, the first part is when we have only one symbol on our equation, one inequality symbol. Okay, for example, you can see here in this equation we only have one inequalities. Right, the second part is we have two inequalities symbol. All right, okay, let's first focus on one symbol. All right, guys, so for this equation we have 2x over 3 minus 5 less or equal to x over 3 plus 2. So we only have one symbol here. So we can just direct calculation, okay, by bringing x to the one part and numbers to the right hand side. So we will have here 2x minus x over 3. Okay, I can just combine because it has the same denominator, and then you have 2 plus 5. Okay, simplify the left hand side. So we have here, so x 7 multiplied by 3, you get 21. Okay, so here if you want to see in form of number line, so number 21 less or equal means that then circle to the left. Okay, so our answer, your final answer should be, if you want to write in form of interval form, it will be 21 is the highest value on your right, and it goes to negative infinity. Right, okay, if you want to put your answer in form of solution set, it will be x double dot x less or equal to 21. Okay, that's how you answer for this part. Okay, next let's look at the question that have two inequality symbol, okay, in one question. Okay, two inequality symbol, I want to divide it into two parts, which is you have only one term of x and the other part you have more than one term of x, because I want to show the difference of calculation what you can do. Okay, here one term of x, you only have x here. Okay, what you can do, you can just bring -1 to both sides. Alright, so it will be -4. When you bring to the other side, it will change the symbol, it will be +1. So 3x will be alone 7 plus 1. Right, so we got -3, 3x, 8. Okay, we only want x, so that means you have to divide all terms by 3. Alright, so simplify it by making as x greater than -1 and less than 8. Alright, 8 over 3. Okay, so this is our answer. Next, it's up to you to write it in the form, which form. Okay, if the question didn't mention which form you should write your answer, either it is interval form or solution set, you can choose anyone. Okay, unless the question state which form that you should write your final answer. So your -1, 8 over 3. Okay, if you have one term of x, you can just bring the value to the left and to the right. Okay, next guys, let's look at the next part, which is when you have more than one term of x. Okay, so here you can see, alright, you have here and there, not the same as this one, you only have at one part. Okay, so for this one, what you should do is you must divide into two parts, which is the left part 1 plus 3x, 5x minus 3, and the second part. Okay guys, please alert to this one. It is compulsory to you write the symbol and here, because you the original question combined, but you want to divide into two parts, so must put the symbol and here. Okay, So let's go direct to the calculation. You can calculate, change the numbers. Please put the number on one side and the x term on the one side. So you will have x greater than 2. X usually we don't write on the right hand side. We will write x at the on the left hand side. Okay, at the beginning. So x, if you can see the symbol is great. Okay, the symbol x greater than 2. So we change the position. It will be x greater than 2. Okay, we look at this example. We change the position of x. Let's arrange them. So we get 4x, 12. So x less than 3. Okay, here, because your answer came in separately. Okay, because you actually separate the question. So next, what you should do is we have to draw the number line. Okay, we have number 2 and number 3, and then you draw the number line. X greater than 2. Okay, empty circle. X less than 3. Also empty circle. Alright, so now that this is where the symbol, the inequalities and the function. Okay, and so and means intersection. Okay, and means intersection. So where is the area that intersect on both number line? Here is the area. Am I right? Alright, intersect. The area intersect here. So our final answer will be between 2 and 3. Alright, that is our answer. Okay, what happened to students who write your final answer only here? It's wrong, right? Okay, so that means that when you separate the equations into two parts, to the left and to the right, you need to combine them on the number line and use the symbol intersection as your guide for you to shape. Right? So if we can see a summary for this part, we have only one symbol. So one symbol, no problem, direct calculation. You have two symbols but with one term of x. Okay, so it is easy. Okay, because we don't separate it, so you can just calculate the answer. But if you separate it, you must use the word. Okay, I would say like this. Okay, this one you can also separate. Okay, but if you separate, you must use the symbol and you must shade it at intersection. Okay, you can try this example. Okay, this example, you can try to separate, try to draw the number line and try to shade the intersection, and you get the same answer. Right? So the last part is we have more than one terms of x. You can see here we have x here, we have x here, we have x here. So we can't just calculate directly. You have to separate it with the symbol intersect for the left and the right hand side, and then we draw the number line and we shade the intersection. Alright, so let's continue to the next part.